So, as you can probably see, 12 times 2 plus 4 was basically um, what we had as our image from the day before, right? So, the day 16's lesson on September 14th had two groups of 12 and four more. And that's what we're looking at right here. But did you know that we could make one small change, yes, one small change to this expression right here, and we could actually find the answer to that problem over here. All right. Now, here's the sad part. This picture that's about to happen is not it's not pretty. I don't think the spacing worked correctly, and so I'm gonna explain it to you. But our eggs got messed up. As you can see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's kind of a group. So I don't know what was happening here. I think that someone was probably working very hard to make this work, and it might not have worked. So let's try and mess around real quick. Okay, so that's one. Oh no, this is gonna be difficult. Okay, let's try this again. So nope. I'm gonna try this one more time. I'm gonna start from down here. All right, so here is one group. Here is one group. Oh, I came dangerously close. Okay, there's another group. Okay, and then there's another group, and then there's another group, and then there's another group. So apparently they were out of cartons of eggs, and you just had to buy bags of eggs or something. I don't know. Okay, so the answer that we were looking for a long time ago, if you remember, was 72. And if you look at our circled eggs over here, we do have 72. Now, if we did 12 times 2 plus 4, 12 times 2 is 24, plus 4 more made 28. But could we put any kind of grouping symbols, like parentheses or brackets, on this problem and turn our answer into the same answer that we got before, which was 72? I think we can. So think about this. 12 times 2 is 24, but 12 times 6 is 72. When we did this previously, we had 4 groups of 12 over here with 48, 2 groups of 12 over here with 24. What if we added 4 plus 2 first? Added our 4 groups plus our 2 groups to figure out we really need 6 groups of 12. Well, with 2 strokes of a pencil or a pen, that has been done, right? Think about it. Let's go back to our order of operations. Brackets, parentheses, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Now, just by adding these brackets, I don't even have to change this problem, but I did change the order. Now, since there's parentheses around 2 times 4, that's my first step. So brackets, no. Parentheses, yes. What's inside parentheses? 2 plus 4. So I add together 2 plus 4, which equals 6. Now that 2 plus 4 has been done, the parentheses can come off, and I just copy down what I haven't used yet. I did not use the 12, and I did not use the multiplication sign. So now I'm looking at 12 times 6. And the answer to 12 times 6, remember you can do this. My dog is scratching on the floor. Pepper, what are you doing? 6 times 1 plus 1, there's 72. Or you could do 10 times 6 plus 2 times 6. Remember, that's 60 plus 12, which comes back together as 72. So either strategy you use for multiplication. There you go. We just did Tinky Winky math, and we came up with an expression that was not much longer than the expression we came up with yesterday. But it said just as much as our long expression did that we created originally. 4 groups of 12 plus 2 groups of 12. That equaled 72. Now we're just saying 2 plus 4 is 6, so 6 groups of 12 is the same thing, 72. So just by adding parentheses, the grouping symbols, we got a totally different answer, and it's correct.